In this video, I take a look back at a clip from September of 2023 when I was still at the Saab dealership. We have a 9000 Saab with the V6, and this video is just kind of more just looking at the car, looking back at old footage. I believe we put a belt on it and we changed the boot and maybe cleaned the throttle bodies. It is a long time ago, so I'm trying to remember what I did, and there's not a lot of footage back then from this clip, but it gives you a little insight on this car. So maybe someone will find something useful, maybe where a hose goes or something, if they even have one of these cars. I haven't seen one since this video. $193. This almost has 200,000 miles. Yeah, it's a little beat.
Is this the problem? Like this duct tape on this hose?
Oh yeah, that's bad.
I wonder if the hose is split.
That's fucking crazy, man.
Oh my god.
Fucking brilliant.
I'm sure if you check the oil, there's probably not much in here.
Gee, this has traction bars on the back, and a lot of other solid axle vehicles don't. This isn't even rear wheel drive. I never noticed that before.
Fuck is all that black?
Paint?
Oh yeah.
I don't know.
I don't feel like touching it. And this car has been beat.
We'll see if we can get that. I bet we can. But you never know.
What the fuck? Somebody tried to pass. A fucking mess. This thing's a fucking mess. Some of these other ones, you know?
Yeah, so there's one bolt there, the bolt holding the mount here, and then we're going to take this mount off.
Nah, you gotta leave it on. You don't need to take that off.
No, and then the tensioner is back there.
Yeah, I don't think it'll rock around.
So take those off.
Three of them.
Yeah. I could say this is probably one of the only 9000 V6s we have.
This is a fucking dinosaur, man. It's old. At least fucking cool.
Too much grease to tell.
Yeah, I'm sure it does.
So we're going to take that bolt out because the belt is routed under it, as you can see. So try and take the bolt out, lift the engine up, slide the belt out, and then it went in.
The wires are fucking fresh and motor oil. That's what makes it skip. Fucking good.